Well, the Yiddish theater was a very vast theatrical movement that was united by performing in Yiddish. There was the literary theater that was non-musical theater. There was musical theater. There was also marionette theater. There was also Yiddish acting schools. There was also political theater and anarchist theater and just biblical dramas. But Seymour Rexite was one of the great singers of the Yiddish stage. He was the last incredible tenor, from Wonder Boy to Star. And his wife was a prima donna. She had a beautiful voice. She came as a 13-year-old girl to Boston, Massachusetts, and got a scholarship at the New England Conservatory of Music. And then began starring in the Yiddish theater because she started acting as a chorus girl in Boston, and eventually worked with Aaron Lebedoff in Chicago. Jaime Jacobson discovered her. And so they would do primarily musicals by the great composers of the Yiddish theater, Rumshinsky, Olshanetsky, Sholem Sekunda was a very close friend of theirs, Abe Elstein was a very close friend of theirs. And these were all such brilliant composers, educated at Juilliard, Yiddish speakers. Some went uptown and some went downtown, or some went to Tin Pan Alley and some went to Broadway and some went to 2nd Avenue. But so many of the great musicians and of the great composers of 20th century New York were Yiddish speakers. And Seymour and Miriam made it their mission to capture the history of the Yiddish theater and of the Yiddish influence on the American theater and musical scene, which they documented not in writing, but on their radio shows, 2,000 of which still exist and are at Harvard University, and hopefully will be available online, or definitely are available now for people to go and listen to them.